Candy.
And next, now we are showing a video how our dog Trevor was scared on a loud noise.
Plenty of dogs are scared of loud noise. This could really stress them.
Now let's take a look on the video clips on how Trevor reacts on loud noise. By using this drum. It's really loud.
Trevor! Come here! Come on, Trevor! Itago mo yan. Go. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Nate! Naingayan na siya! Don't be scared. Don't be scared. You're okay. You're okay once you're Nate. Hey! No! Come here! Hi, Trevor! Tumago si Trevor kasi he's scared of the drums. Don't be scared, Trevor. It's just too loud because of this date. Don't be scared, Trevor. It's okay. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Ah! It's too loud. You're so scared, baby. Trevor, you're scared? Don't be scared. Hello. Dun 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 dun. So Trevor's here on the back at the third floor, guys. Come here. Let's go here. Don't be scared because of the drum. And it's so tiring. Trevor, come here. Don't be scared. It's okay, boy. It's just a drum. And it's fun. It's fun. Yeah, let's go. Come. Wait. Let's go down. Come here. Let's go down. Come here. Come here. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Come here. Just come here. Trevor, come here. Come here. Nate, can you please stop that? Nate, stop that. Go, come here. Come here. It's okay. Nate, stop that. You're not allowed to go upstairs here in the third floor. Oh, come here. You're not allowed here on the sofa. No. Oh, Trevor, I'm tired of you. Okay, guys. We are here in the third floor. And I'm so tiring. I'm so sweat because of this dog. Trevor is not going down. Oh my gosh.
Andiyan pa ba? Nabenta na ba natin yun? Dalawa yun, di ba?
Nandiyan pa, sir. Huwag ka mag-alala. Hindi niya bukas na.
Yay!
Nandiyan pa.
Trevor, go down now. Please. It's too hot now here. Trevor. Okay, guys. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this dog. It's so tiring. Trevor, come here now. Ah! You're there. Don't be scared. Boy, come here. Don't be scared, Trevor.
Okay.
Go.
Kuya will not hold the drum anymore.
Yeah, so you will not be scared, okay? Go, go down. I kiss you, Trevor. I kiss you. Go down now. Go. Scared now. Come here. Come here now, Trevor. Please, Trevor, just come here. Go. It's not scary. Kuya Nate will jump again. Sige ka. No, don't go upstairs. Nate! Trevor's so scared, so don't go upstairs. Just come here, Trevor. Diba you're scared with that drum? So just come here. Come here, don't be scared. No, come here. Okay, jump. It's not too loud. It's not loud. Yeah. It's fun. Okay, it's fun, Trevor. No. Now you see how Trevor reacted to loud noise. He was really scared.
The good thing there is that we were able to condition Trevor so if he hears loud noises such as fireworks during the year,
Or to thunderstorms, especially nowadays, it is rainy season. Or to loud vehicles.
so he won't anymore be stressed if he hears loud noises.
Okay, that's all for today's vlog.
Please don't forget to like,
Share, subscribe.
and turn on the notification bell